Hi, I'm Kristen Olson from Betty Crocker. I'm here to give you a quick peek into the trends that will be red hot this holiday season. Food bloggers and boutique bakeries are taking the phrase eye candy to heart and getting creative in the kitchen. They're turning out fun and colorful food that's as playful as it is scrumptious. You've got to make these delicious cupcake poppers. They're little mini bites of crazy colorful fun. Start by adding food coloring to 5 bowls of our super moist cake batter. Get creative with your color choices. The brighter, the better. Fill mini muffin pans with your colored batter, being sure to fill an equal number of cups for each color and bake. Once the cupcakes are cool, cut the bottom off of each one. Feel free to eat the leftover bottoms, just leave the tops alone. Take a top and carefully pipe your frosting onto the flat side. Then, squish an unfrosted top with a frosted top and you've got yourself a cupcake sandwich. Be sure to check out all of the Betty 10 Red Hot holiday trends and find all of these holiday